friends, my name is Ray Curious. I love exploring, traveling, and see what is above and beyond the world. One night, I went out for a walk to stay healthy. As I looked up at the sky full of twinkling stars, I wondered, what's out there? What lies beyond our world? So I packed my bag and sat into a spaceship to fly into space to explore the wonders of the universe. And there I was, floating in the universe. Whee! Do you know there's no gravity outside Earth? Gravity is the invisible force that pulls everything down on Earth. But in space, I can float freely, and it feels amazing. Imagine there is a table in front of you, and on that table there is a cup. Right now, both the table and the cup are staying still because gravity is pulling them down towards the Earth. But let's pretend we turn gravity off. But what do you think will happen? The table and the cup won't stay on the ground anymore. They'll both start floating up, just like the balloons in the sky. That's because without gravity, there is nothing to pull things down to Earth. So every step you take, every time you sit in a chair, or even when you drop a toy, that's all gravity at work, keeping you safely on the ground. So explore a little more and look! Different colored balls are spinning around a giant fireball. That fireball is the sun, and the balls are called planets. Together, they make the solar system. Let's meet each planet individually and hear what they have to say.
Hi there, I'm Mercury. I'm the smallest planet and closest to the sun.
Hi there, I'm Venus. I'm the hottest planet in the solar system. Ouch!
I'm Earth. You call me home. I'm also the only planet with liquid.
Hi there, I'm Mars. I'm really dusty and cold with a thin atmosphere.
Hi there, I'm Jupiter. I'm twice the size of other planets, so they call me giant.
Hi there, I'm Saturn. I'm surrounded by a series of icy rings.
Hi there, I'm Uranus. I rotate on a tilt so I look like I'm sideways.
Hi there, I'm Neptune. I'm the smallest gas giant and farthest from the sun.
Now that we have met all the planets, let's learn more about what makes each one fascinating. Let's start with Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. That makes it a real scorcher during the day. Temperatures can go up to 430 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to melt metal. But here's the crazy part. At night, it gets super cold. About minus 180 degrees Celsius. That's like stepping into a fiery oven in the morning and an ice freezer at the night. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's about the same size as our own planet Earth. But do not be fooled. It's nothing like Earth. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Earth is the only planet known to have life. That's because we have just the right mix of air, water, and sunlight. Earth's surface is covered by 71% water. That's like saying almost 3/4 of our planet is ocean. Earth is only planet with liquid water on the surface, which is super important for life. We have just one moon, but it's perfect for lighting up the night sky. And here's a cool fact. Earth is always spinning, which is why we get day and night, but we don't even feel it. Next up is the red planet Mars. It's the 4th planet from the sun. It's a cold desert world. Mars is super cold and dusty with a very thin atmosphere, which means it would be hard for humans to breathe here. Scientists are really curious about Mars because long ago it might have had rivers and lakes. That means Mars could have once been a lot like Earth. Jupiter. Jupiter is so huge, more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter is made mostly of gas, so it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Saturn. The Saturn planet with the most famous rings are made of ice, dust, and rock, and they sparkle like a cosmic jewel. Saturn is also a gas giant, and just like Jupiter, it doesn't have a solid surface to stand on. Uranus. Scientists think something huge may have knocked Uranus over a long time ago. This planet looks blue-green because of methane gas in its atmosphere. Uranus is super cold, with temperatures dropping down to about minus 224 degrees Celsius, which means it is one of the coldest planets in our solar system. Uranus also has faint rings. Neptune. Neptune is a big blue planet far, far away from the sun. It has super fast winds and giant storms that swirl around. A year on Neptune is so long, it takes 165 Earth years to finish just 1 year. Isn't that cool? This is our solar system, the coolest thing I have ever come across.